Greetings. Well, I am delighted to announce my next role will be the EMEA General Manager for C3.ai. So yes, those of you who know me from leadership positions in IBM, I'm moving on to the next stage of my adventure, back into AI. I say back into because I started my career in advanced analytics with retail loyalty programs, and I went on to build my first AI model with Lufthansa in 1998 to help them predict flight demand. So for me, it's actually coming back home. Now, AI has enjoyed explosive levels of attention in the last 6 months. Every household in the country is referring to ChatGPT and generative AI. But this is not the first major transformational technology that we've seen. In 1993 was the launch of the internet and the World Wide Web. By the late 1990s, this was really impacting our lives. In the early 2000s was the launch of the first smartphones. By 2007, Apple had launched the iPhone and really took a dominant share. And in just around that sort of time was the launch of the first public cloud. And over the last 15 years or so, we've seen how applications and data have moved to the cloud so we can access them from anywhere, from any device, at any time. Now, around 1950, Alan Turing adopted the term AI. Since then, we've seen it have a transformational impact on organizations and society. But now we've reached a point in history, a moment in time when actually everything, in my view, will be impacted by AI. And for many organizations, I think AI will be existential. AI will have a bigger impact than any of the internet, smartphones, or cloud, although clearly it will leverage all of those, as well as big data and IoT. As you know me, I'm always up for adventure, whether it's taking the boys trekking to Nepal, crossing the Sahara, or running through the jungles of Costa Rica. I believe passionately that AI is a force for good, where it's finding new treatment strategies for cancer, optimizing supply chains and maintenance to improve customer satisfaction, where it's allowing leaders to rapidly analyze any of their data and predict, or indeed where it's identifying new polymers and optimizing energy management to reduce carbon emissions. What about the downsides of AI, my mother would ask? Well, of course, there are concerns around the usage of data and bias, but that can be managed as it has been with the introduction of other technologies through ethical usage and through regulation. People are concerned that it will eliminate jobs. I disagree. Every wave of technology has created more jobs than it has eliminated. Sure, managers that use AI will replace those managers that do not, but every role will become more rewarding with an AI expert advisor alongside and being able to do more with less. Leaders will have a responsibility to help their employees develop the skills necessary to thrive. And society will sometimes have to step in for those that struggle to adapt. People worry that AI will dominate us, a bit like the film I, Robot, but I think that regulation should stop that being able to happen. And we must avoid delaying the great benefits of AI, but instead regulate in parallel. So why C3.ai, my boys ask me? Well, I've always believed for success in AI, you need a combination of industry and domain expertise. After all, using AI for risk management for a bank requires quite a different solution than using AI to optimize the maintenance of expensive assets in the field for an industrial company. So for success, you need a combination of an enterprise-grade, comprehensive AI development platform with a suite of industry and domain solutions. And I agree with Forrester that C3.ai is a leader. C3.ai also has a fantastic enterprise search solution that leverages a combination of generative AI and traditional AI to allow the user to search any of the content within the enterprise and ask questions. It does this whilst avoiding the common issues around generative AI where it makes stuff up, known as hallucination. It also protects the data, the IP of the enterprise. It allows explainability and role-based security. It's a really great solution. As I go on this adventure, I'll be giving regular updates on some of the key insights. For instance, where's the maximum business value that's being created? How do you enable explainable AI? How do you avoid hallucination with generative AI? How do you develop the skills needed? And what's the latest and greatest in technology? So if you wish to stay in tune with these updates and these insights, then please follow me or drop me a message if you have any specific questions. I look forward to talking to you. Thank you.